Hello, good day to you all. This is Felicia from Naphtali 7 Art Studio. Okay, many students had asked me to do a tutorial of how to practice drawing straight line and what to use. Okay, what you do is from here I have some of my old sketchbook, and you just need a pencil and old sketchbook that is not going to use anymore, and you see the edges is like already yellowish, but it's okay, don't throw away, don't waste. You can actually use for practice to draw anything like leaves or like flowers or lines. Okay, so today's tutorial lesson I'm going to teach you how to draw lines. So first of all, you can have two options. My first tutorial will be drawing lines in the box. You can actually draw a square or use something circle, like if you have a cover or something, you can actually draw it in a circle or square or even in a triangle, any shape that you like. So first of all, you learn how to draw a straight line like this. Just practice in the box, or you draw this way. If you see my pencil, I hold to draw like this, or some people like to draw like this, also can. Depends how you hold your pencil and comfortably draw the straight line. Some people like to draw straight way to fasten it straight line. See? For me, either way, I can use like this way, I can use like this way, also can if you see how I turn my sketchbook. See that? Even though you draw side line, it's the same. Or drawing from this way. See that? Even in circle, depends where you want to start with. Either you draw straight line like this, or like this, how you draw it. It's okay that if the line is not straight, but you just practice, see. And I can draw like this way too. I've been practice drawing lines like many years. When I'm free, I just doodle and do some sketching. See? So your first practice you need to do in the box until you can control your line without going out from here, then you can have freestyle, which is you can draw like this. Some people like to just use recycled paper, newspaper, anything. They can just freehand draw the line, fast or slow. Sometimes my line is straight, sometimes my line is not. But depends how you control your pencil. And no need to draw like the line which is so thick, so hard. Just lightly draw, lightly can already. Alright, so this is for the tutorial today. Thank you for watching. Hope you practice.